Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need Helakuru installed and the system voice engine enabled. Start now. Open Android settings, go to Languages and Input, and set Helakuru as your active keyboard. Once done, tap Virtual Keyboard and confirm that Google or Android voice typing is enabled so Helakuru can route audio. Make sure microphone permission is granted to Helakuru. Without that, voice capture won't work. These are the first essential actions you must complete before enabling Helakuru's voice typing feature. Now open Helakuru and navigate to its keyboard or input settings. You'll find the voice typing or speech input option there. Toggle voice typing on, then select the speech engine. Google's engine is recommended for accuracy and latency. Next, choose Sinhala or your desired language layout inside Helakuru so transcriptions match your script. Once configured, exit settings and test in any text field. This middle stage connects Helakuru to the system engine and sets the language rules that control recognition quality. Finish by testing. Open an app, switch to Helakuru, and tap the mic icon to speak. You should see live transcription. If nothing happens, make sure the mic permission is allowed and that the selected speech engine is active in System Virtual Keyboard. Restart Helakuru and your phone if needed. If problems persist, clear Helakuru's cache or reinstall the app to reset configs. This one troubleshooting tip, permissions plus engine selection, fixes most voice typing failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.